everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Donna, the Blissful Planner. Welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing and your continued support and comments. And to my loyal followers who are still here with me, thank you so much for your continued support. Today, I have a flip through of the new Recollections 18-month spiral planner that I purchased from Michael's during the big sale. This is a 7.5 inch by 9.25 inch planner, and it is a vertical planner. Okay, I love the cover. I just think the cover is just pretty simple but elegant at the same time. The back cover has the flowers at the bottom. The inside is in the corners with the peach. Same here. Okay, so I'm trying to make sure I'm in frame, and we're going to start with the flip through. Okay, the reason that I got this planner is I had never tried a spiral planner before, and I wanted to try it. And the reason that I picked this was, one, it was on sale, and two, it was a spiral, and three, the colors on the inside are pink and black. Need I say more? You guys know I love me some pink because it is my favorite color. And my social media planner runs out in June. So I have a need for it. I just didn't go buy a planner just to go and buy a planner. I try to be really upfront and honest with you guys. It's very easy to go down the planner rabbit hole and I have to have all of the things. No, you don't. You can if you want to go broke. So I'm just saying, spend your money wisely. Get the things that you need. And yeah, you can get an occasional extra sticker book here and there, but you don't have to go crazy, folks, okay? All right, lecture over. This is a 2021, which starts in July to 2022 December. Here is your at a glance years. And I like this because you can put little tiny notes in here like off work, you know, sick day, whatever. And of course that goes through all 18 months. And then on the back of this one, you have this is a dot grid and line paper. I guess if you wanted to keep track of maybe all of your PTO time or whatever you want to use that for, okay? This I love because it gives you a sheet of all kinds of different labels here. And let me see, let me try to go into this a little bit. It's everything from game day, party time, date night, day off, vacation, and of course a whole row of happy birthdays, doctor's appointment, hair appointment, and just plain appointment. And then you have a diagonal, like a gray header here of stickers. And then you have all of these gorgeous stickers. And I love these because they're simple. These are a really odd shape. Let me take one of those off and show you guys. See? Sort of a weird shape. Anywho, that's okay. We'll turn weird into wonderful. All right, I didn't get that back in there quite right. And then you have all kinds of little sayings. Your little, I call them voice balloons, flags, little flags, arrows, all kinds of just little places that you can notate stuff there, location dots, and all in the pink, the real pale pink and black. Another sheet of your taskbar. This says don't forget, and then you have trackers here, habit trackers. You have a lot of your pink cheetah in this, which I also love. You have a lot of dots, a lot of lines, a lot of vertical lines. Then you have a list box here. All these are list boxes. Really like that. You get a lot of stickers. And then, of course, these are your functional stickers from payday. This is a hair dryer, doctor's appointment, scissors, you know, laundry, travel, birthday. That's heart rate. I guess that's doctor's appointment too, or workout. A time clock, or a alarm clock. I like to use that for sleep in. These are some bikes and some fitness stickers. I mean, you've got your who's who plus all of your emojis there. And I like to use these for my mood. In my dashboard, I use my Monday through Sunday as my mood tracker. So you get quite a few stickers in this. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 pages full of stickers, and then you have a separation sheet, which is real slick. You have this storage envelope that opens and closes for you. And then we're going to get started with July. It's pink with your dots here. Everything in this, and I'll flip and just do the months, all neutral. Does it get any better than that? Here's your days. The only color you have here is a very pale gray on your headers for your like morning, evening, and morning, lunch, and dinner, or, you know, morning, midday, and night. And then you have lines here. This is dot grid. So let's move to August. Black with pink checks. And you do have a note page. I love that about this is the back, instead of having something that just keeps it all going like your currently page, and then half of your monthly is, you know, next on your currently page. I love that it has a section for notes here, and it breaks apart the month. That's the one thing that I don't like is if I flip over my month in my classic, you know, it's on the back of my divider. Like this is too, but there is no just plain paper on the other side. It's your currently page. And I like that I have a plain sheet there. More of the same. They're all the same. Let's see, September. Hello. It's speaking to me. There's nothing better than pink cheetah or pink leopard. I'm sorry. I know that offends a lot of people when they say cheetah. Pink leopard spots. Black stripes or horizontal stripes. And then we have, this is cute, your dots. And it looks like an envelope where you can stick stuff, but it's not. And this is sort of the pink here looks like a linen pink fabric is what it looks like. And then your December's black, and then you just got your lines here. A vertical pink wide, not perfect stripe, like somebody took a marker and marked it there. Your February's a black with pink dots. And then you have your March is your pink background, and your leopard spots are all white. I just love the neutral pattern of this. This is black paper with white lines. Pink, like linen paper, again, with little baby X's everywhere. And then you have this, it looks like a black linen with your pink, I'll call these marker stripes, like you took a marker and then July is more of this linen look paper with your lines at the bottom going horizontally. Black with, this almost looks like a stop sign shape. A sextagon. I don't know what they're called anyway. And that's like a real pale, like a gray, maybe. Okay. September is a horizontal pink stripe, and they're not like a perfect stripe either. And October is your black dots with your linen black. November is your black linen, your pink linen background with your pale pink leopard spots. And then December, you have a vertical thin black stripe on white background. Now, at the end of this, the thing that I do like I was saying, is you have a place for whatever you want to put here, and then notes, like whether that be like a monthly list that you try to keep up with. You could do it as your grocery list. You could do it as things to buy or future plans, or you could use this for a genre of things. I mean, it really doesn't matter. It's your planner. It's up to you for what you utilize this for. But what I love is it has a notes tab. You have a notes tab, and you have a mirror image of your stripes and your sidebar here. And you have, there's 1, 2, okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 8 pages of notes. And I like that because a lot of planners will give you like 4. So you have a lot. Like if you wanted to keep like an annual, you know, you could start an annual list. You could put, you know, a thing down the middle of like goals here, achieved. You could do, like I said, remodeling needs, purchased. You get my point. So this is the Recollections planner, and I really, really do love this. I think it's super pretty, and I cannot wait to get started in July with this one because this will be my new social media planner. So I'm really looking forward to doing a little bit of a different way of planning, a little of the same, but a little bit different. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know this was a really quick flip through, but I told you guys I wanted to get out what I have purchased at Michael's in my little haul video. If you haven't seen that haul video, check it out. I'll link it in the description box below, that it'll be linked at the end screen. If you haven't seen it, check it out. You can see all the little things that I did purchase with Michael's, Joann's, and Dollar Tree. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I hope that you are blessed, stay safe, and be kind. Thanks, guys. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.